All right, go ahead and get out your sight word book that looks like this. Get out this sight word book. Let's figure out the title first. The first word we don't know. It is not a sight word, but we can kind of figure out what it is. So this first sound, what sound is that? P. Yes. P. Now this sound usually says but here it says So p. What's that last sound? T. Yes. P. T. What word is that? Put. Good job. All right, so the first word is put. This word we don't know yet. I'm going to tell you because it's hard to decode. So this word is away. What word is it? Good job. So let's read what we know. Put away. Good. The next one is our sight word for this book. Do you know what that word is? Your. Good job. All right, let's read what we know. Put away your. And the last word is the word things. What word is it? Good. So let's read the book. Put away your things. Awesome. Go ahead and flip the page to the first page. All right, so this is a repeating book, so it's going to keep saying the same thing over and over again, and it's going to say what the title said. So we've got first word, what word? Put. Next word, what word? Away. Next word is our sight word. Your. What is this word? This word is our picture clue word. What do you think this word is? Glue, you are right. All right, let's read the whole sentence. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, go. Put away your glue. Nice job. Go ahead and flip your page. All right. Again, it's repeating, but we're going to try and figure out each word first, and then we'll read the whole sentence. Eyes on it, fingers on it. First word, what word? Put. Next word, what word? Away. Next word, what word? Your. And last word is our picture clue word. Crayons. Good job. All right, let's read the whole sentence. Ready, go. Put away your crayons. You do it without me. Ready, go. Amazing. Flip your page. All right, fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, what word? Put. Next word. Away. Next word. Your. Last word is our picture clue word. What word is that? Scissors. Nice job. All right, let's read the whole sentence. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, go. Put away your scissors. Good. All right, you're going to read it without me. Ready, go. Nice job. All right, flip the page. Okay, fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, what word? Put. Next word, what word? Away. Next word is our sight word. Your. Last word is the picture clue. Books. Nice job. Let's read the whole sentence. You're going to do it without me. Ready, go. Amazing. Put away your books. Flip the page. All right. Fingers on it, eyes on it. First word. Put. Next word. Away. Next word. Your. Last word. Pencil. Nice job for my friends who got pencil. All right, let's read it. Ready, go. Amazing. Put away your pencil. Flip the page. All right, this one kind of is tricky because the picture isn't really clear. We're not exactly sure what it is, but we can look at this last word, think about the first sound, think about what the picture kind of looks like, and figure out our word. So we'll pause right before we get to this word. First word, what word? Next word. Next word, sight word. All right, we're going to read that last word, that picture clue word. Are you ready? Last word. Marker. If you said marker, nice job. Yes, it even almost tricked Miss Phillips. I wasn't exactly sure. You guys are amazing. Let's read this whole sentence. Ready, go. Wonderful job. You guys did fantastic. You can color your book and read it to a family member or a friend. Nice job, friends.